Conversation is really immensely important to develop and improve the communication skills. In this video, I'll be sharing how to make conversation in English more effectively and more productively. If you would like to improve your English skills, make sure you watch the full video. First of all, make friends or fellow. If you make friends for communicating or making conversation, you can make friends to make conversations and improve your English skills. In this case, find somebody who are really eager to speak with you. Find somebody who are really interested to speak with you. Make at least 3 friends. Make conversation every day. Spend particular times. You can spend 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour, depends on you. Be more consistent and continuously speak with them. Secondly, make a virtual group and find partners. You know, internet is widely spread. You can find partners from around the world. Nowadays, it is very flexible, easiest and more convenient to make a virtual group if you are connected with any social media like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever you like most, whatever the social network you use, make a virtual group and find partners. I think you will get some interested guys who are really eager to make conversation with you. Do it every day. Do it regularly. I think you can improve your English conversation. You also can improve your communication skills. Next one is guide or teach. You can easily make conversation and develop your communication skills, develop your conversation skills. If you teach someone or if you guide someone, you will have plenty of options to talk with them. So you can make them understand whatever you know, whatever you learn, whatever you are good at. If you just share your knowledge with them, you can make more productive conversations if you teach someone or guide someone, as well as you also can develop your English skills. Now, next one. Next one is speak with strangers. Find strangers. Strangers are here and there. If you just come out from your home, you can find many strangers. Identify somebody. Make intention to speak with strangers when you are outside of your home. Feel interest and make conversation with them. You can make a wonderful chit-chat if you wait for vehicle at a station. You can find strangers on the street. You can find strangers at the restaurant. You also can find strangers in shopping mall, railway station, bus stations, even in a long queue. Select the strangers and make a wonderful chit-chat with the strangers. You will have quality time with the strangers, as well as you can make your conversations and develop your English skills. Now, next one is meeting. Meeting is a formal way to make a conversation. So, you can make virtual meeting or face-to-face meeting. Whatever the meeting, you can organize a meeting virtually even from your home and connect different people, your relatives, your friends, whoever you like most. You can connect them in your meeting and communicate with them. You will have numerous ways to make conversation with the invited guys of your meeting. So, meet people and make conversation. Finally, find a way to speak with someone or somebody. You must have eagerness to speak and make conversation. Always find a way to speak. Whatever the tools, you can make conversations. I think the information of my video will be your immense help. If you did that, give a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe on my channel to obtain upcoming all videos. Have a happy learning. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.